Big Joe 3. We're aiming for about 200 degrees and we're going to cook the chicken that way. Let me show you how to do the tandoori chicken. Okay, so here's the chicken marinating for the last 24 hours in a tandoori mix, which I'll post the recipe for in the description. And what we're going to do is we're just going to place them onto the skewers. Okay, grills at 220 degrees, so let's get these bits of chicken on there. Trick to this is to keep turning them every 5 minutes or so. So let's shut that down and come back. Just going to give them a quick turn. So here's a list of the ingredients that you're going to need for this cook. 2 tablespoons of ground almonds, 1 thinly sliced banana, 2 medium tomatoes chopped, green bell pepper sliced, some chili powder, some oil. I'm using coconut oil for this, some mixed powder, some smooth mango chutney, some chopped coriander, and 2 tablespoons of garlic and ginger paste. We also have some turmeric paste, cinnamon stick, 2 cloves, and the seeds from the green cardamom pods, 200 ml of water. We've set the Kamado fire bowl up into the X-rack on the centre of the Big Joe. Just going to let that come up to temperature now. I'll start off by putting the oil into the pan. I'll start off by putting the whole species in. And just let them sit in the oil for about 50 seconds. We're now going to put the onion in. We're going to cook this for about 5 to 8 minutes until they've gone nice and soft and translucent. Okay, these are nicely gone translucent now. So we're going to put in the garlic and ginger paste. Tomatoes. And the green peppers. Mix all that up. You can really hear the... Okay, then we're going to add in the mixed powder and the chili powder, and we're just going to stir that in nicely. Now time to add in the 200 ml of water. And the turmeric. A little stir. Want to bring that to a simmer. What we're looking for is the onions and the tomatoes to break down. Okay, so I reckon we are there now. So we're going to put the chicken that we cooked earlier into it. Put that in. Give that a little stir quickly. Mix all that nice new sauce on there. Okay. Now I'm going to put in the almonds. And the mango chutney. And we're just going to stir that all in. You can add more water if you need to. Okay, this has been simmering away now for 5 minutes, and it's at the consistency that I would say I like. So now let's add the banana in. Stir this in. Now what I would do is just remove the large cinnamon stick, because you don't want that getting in your dinner when you're eating.